How to install Eco-Liner plasterboard using dot and dab adhesive. Ensure walls are structurally sound and are clean, dry and free from protrusions. Existing alignment issues need to be corrected first, although minor irregularities can be taken out with the dot and dab adhesive. Remove any fittings, strip any paint or wallpaper and apply a bonding agent to any pre-existing plastered walls. Place dust sheets down where needed. Work should be carried out in well-ventilated conditions, and we advise wearing a dust mask and appropriate hand and eye protection. Measure the Eco-Liner requirements and cut the boards accordingly using a fine-tooth saw, allowing 15 mm off from the floor-to-ceiling height. Take care when handling Eco-Liner, as wet or damaged boards should not be used. Before fitting, ensure any gaps around the perimeter of the wall, opening or penetrations are sealed with a flexible sealant or drywall adhesive. Mix up drywall adhesive as per manufacturer guidelines. Ensure you use a minimum of 18 dabs per board, typically at 600 mm centers horizontally and 300 mm centers vertically, with no less than 20% contact. Apply a continuous band of adhesive around the wall perimeter, openings and service penetrations as boarding proceeds. Adhesive dab sizes should be 10 to 25 mm thick, 50 to 75 mm wide and 250 mm long. Place Eco-Liner into position, ensuring all adjoining boards are tightly abutted. If required, use a straight edge to tap the boards into position and ensure you check levels. Once the adhesive is set, further secure the Eco-Liner with a minimum of 2 wall plugs per board. Ensuring each are 15 mm in from edges, approximately 1,600 mm up from the floor, and penetrating a minimum of 25 mm into the existing masonry. Tighten the screw heads to just below flush. Seal floor and ceiling gaps with PU filler foam and then flexible sealant or equivalent. Apply the sealant around any further joints or breaks. Either tape and joint boards or skim walls as appropriate. Your wall is now ready to be decorated. For further advice and information, please visit ecotherm.co.uk.